Hey Rose, welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my 8-month Microlocs update. I'm 4 months away from being a year locked and I'm so excited. I'm getting a lot of length, a little bit of weight to it, so I'm excited about that. I am still experiencing shedding. I'm still experiencing some frizziness. One thing that I'm officially doing differently is I'm no longer braiding and banding. So I'm completely done with, not braiding and banding, bunching and banding. I never braided and banded because of the length of my hair, but I did bunch and band, but now I'm officially done with it. My hair no longer needs it because I'm not experiencing slippage nearly as much as I used to. As of right now, there's barely any slippage because my hair is locking, so it's exciting. It feels so good to wash my hair with no bands in there. I just washed it yesterday and I'm gonna get into the 360 in a bit, but I wanted to ask all of you, how far along are you in your journey? Are you encouraged? Are you feeling discouraged? Are you documenting your growth? Comment down below how your journey is going so far. I would love to read that because mine is going well. I'm definitely loving it, and I know that I'm gonna look back and miss this length, so I'm just embracing it. Now don't get me wrong, I'm so looking forward to having my hair on my shoulders and being able to do braid outs and twist outs and my favorites, which are flexi rods, perm rods. I'm so excited to do that, but I'm not gonna do that yet. Maybe I'll do that for the year mark, but I really just want my hair to lock and be free up until that point. I did try braiding twice earlier on in my journey and it just wasn't working the way I wanted it to. So I'm just going to leave my locks alone, let them lock, and once they settle in some more, then I will put in some curls. So I think for my year Locversary, I'll put some curls in, but we'll see. Maybe it'll lock a bit faster. So that is pretty much it for my update. I'm going to get into the 360. These videos will be getting shorter and shorter because there is just a bit less to update as we go along. Once I hit the 1 year mark, I might just do updates every 2 months, every 3 months. It's really up to what you guys want to see. So let's just get into 360. Okay, and that is it for this video. If you have any questions, definitely comment them down below, or any comments at all. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and check out my Instagram where I am documenting my entire Microlocs journey. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!